Yeah, anybody see an oil leak, let me know. We're wondering why it ran out of oil here. Don't see any oil leaks whatsoever. Definitely not leaking oil anywhere. Kean, what do you think about that? Is it leaking oil? Why? Yeah, okay. We don't know why the motor stopped. Number one piston seems to have turned into the V8 piston on this car. Hey, try it again. There's nothing in that cylinder. The motor's coming out.
Yep.
So out of this V8 contraption right here, this cylinder is not working. So we're gonna call this the new modified 3-cylinder V8. Awesome. All right, we are now at the I Hate Honda Club. We've got this recalcitrant 1.6 liter all put back together. Daniel has done a fantabulous job of not throwing tools at things. So now we're priming the fuel, priming the oil, running the coolant. How about her, Daniel? She's all yours. It sounds fantastic. Yeah, it doesn't sound like it's galloping or anything.
Plug them in. Okay.
Boom. All right, I'd cycle it and let her push the fuel, unless you've already done that. Okay, what are your odds?
I don't know. Is the cooling gone down at all or not?
No.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Whoa!
Don't do that.
We got spark it. Gonna gag and choke. It's got to get fuel back into it. Good job, Daniel. I Hate Honda Club is happy to be done with this one.